Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to show you this toothpaste I've been using. It has 70% organic ingredients. Dr. Bronner's All-One Toothpaste has mostly organic ingredients and it's fluoride-free. I love how this freshens your breath and whitens your teeth. Something I did notice is that it doesn't create any foam because it doesn't have any synthetic detergents. This toothpaste is great for all the family. I love the flavor, it's peppermint, and it has baking soda, which allows you to have a whiter teeth, and menthol crystals that allow you to have fresher breath. This toothpaste goes a long way since you need so little of it. It's super clean and it's just great and healthy for all the family. So if you're looking to freshen your breath and whiten your teeth without any harmful ingredients, then definitely go for this one from Dr. Bronner's, but that's just my point of view.